Hi, everybody. Do you sometimes feel you have weakness in your legs, like you don't somehow have the energy to be getting up and that it's really sore? Well, come try some bone marrow washing Qigong with me. Hi, my name's Eileen Zhao. I'm a licensed acupuncturist and herbalist and Qigong teacher here in Silicon Valley Bay Area. And today is bone marrow washing Qigong, and we are going to be adding on number 10 for the tiger grabbing at its prey. So let's get started. We've been doing 28 days today is our January 31-day challenge, and we're almost there. So let's add on a new one. We've been doing the padding Qigong to get ourselves grounded at present. And as we do the padding, I hope it's more familiar this time, almost a full month, and that the key piece in the padding Qigong is shifting weight up, down, and around, and returning to ourselves, our Qi to ourselves. Good. And as we pat, it's nice to check in with all the different parts of our body. Here, the low back. Oftentimes, when we feel we have weakness in the legs, it's because our low back is sore, is tired. And the kidney energy, which is what the bone marrow washing Qigong is about, the kidney energy is about our bones, our neuromuscular skeletal system. And being water, water can become warm, water can be cool too. So it is important in both aspects of maintaining our homeostatic temperature balance and our overall energy. So just patting, shift the weight up and down, left and right, front and back, side to side, really, really helps. Okay. And then let's go ahead to be tracing that same pathway. And inhale and feel the golden ball energy going through the front, middle to the back of the spine. Melt down. Inhale. And inhale. And again, front, middle to the back of the spine. Relax. One more time. Good. And again, front, middle to the back. And then let's go around and around the extended lengthening stretching from Hua Mountain School. 2, 3, relax. And let us extend up and tall. Relax. Relax. And sometimes with weak legs, we need to go a little bit slower, a little bit gentler, so that we can get our energy to flow everywhere in the body. Inhale. Exhale. And remember, this is up your left, down your right, up the left, allowing for the legs, the knees to shift from standing to sitting. Yeah, this is important. Okay, to get the energy to shift from center to periphery, the opposite side. Inhale. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale. And one more time. Okay. And from the heavens, let the energy come down through the whole crown. the face, the neck, throat, chest. One more time. And to me, it's kind of like humbly asking for support from the universe. And as you sweep through, it is like releasing whatever stresses, negative emotions, releasing the tension that we hold with strong egos, and then asking for support, sending it down to the earth. Inhale and breathe in and up and around us for Big Guy Qigong from 12 Treasures. 2, 2, 3. Then, if you recall from the first few days of this 31-day challenge, we also did Embrace the World Qigong. Good. Again, standing, sitting. 3, 2, 1. And then accentuate the turning of the wrists a little more. Good. And the other way. Stand and sit. Forward way. Good. And 3, 2, 1. So that was birthday candles. And this is rowboat. Allow your body, your system to get to a gentle flow of qi. Up, down, and around. Beautiful. And 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Nice. And again, 3, 2, 1. Let's ground front, back, and sides. Excuse me. And shift the weight. And bringing the chi around to us, yeah, for the preparation for. And the other way, preparation for. Good. And then the individual preparation for when we go thumbs and index. And 3, 2, 1. And the other side with the thumb, the index, third finger, fourth finger, fifth finger, and remember your sword finger for the anti-gravity Qigong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Other side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Little toe to big toe. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Other side. Little toe to big toe. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And round and round. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And left. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. And we're going to shift left and right. And then let's get to the big circulation. This always feels so good. Yeah. And we may start with a little bit of tiredness, weakness, but as you get to sink down into your body, sink into the flow of the movement, it allows your energy to slowly pick up. Yes, and this is one of the best parts. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the frontal lifts. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Crisscross lift. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Inhale, nice and tall. And feel yourself extending, expanding, up and down. Yes. Good. Yeah. And already you can feel, yeah, after all these days, it's 28 days, a little bit easier to extend, expand your chi. Beautiful. Okay, so let's get to the number 1 with the prayer with the internal rotations. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 actually. And then relax the third eye, nose tip, third eye, chin, third eye, mid fingertips, third eye, and the chest, third eye, and the low back. See the flames of the kidneys? Down. And then we'll do the purple mist. Let it come on up today. Past the feet, ankle, shin and calf, to the knees, to the quad glute hamstring, to the waist, and feel the separation, lifting you up. And think of the mid finger to feel yourself separating from the midline down. And feel the separation front and back. Good. And inhale. Inhale. Lengthening. Inhale. Excellent. Let me show you the profile. Let's bring down the chi. Front and back. Shen Wei, Qi Wei, Shen Wei, Qi Wei. I'm inside of the chi. Qi is inside of me. I'm inside the chi. Chi is inside of me. And we're being led by the safety of the chin. So pulling up, right? We're skipping everything to go straight to the new piece today for the hungry tiger catching its prey. And it'll be a lunge. So right from where you are, you have got the chi to the lower dantian, the second chakra here. And so it's warm and hot. And this from number 6 that you've had the push and pull the chi, right? So you should be pretty stable these days after a few weeks of doing this. And so you've got the energy here, and inhale and go a lunge. Let the heel be on the ground. You see far away your prey that you're catching, and you actually catch the prey. So now you want to think of magnetizing, just as in oxen's tail, we thought of magnetizing the feet together so you have a little bit more stability. The chi, when you think of magnetizing, goes up the spine and through bringing the energy up the whole body. You dip forward, your weight is in the hip joint, and then you catch the prey. And you breathe 1, 2, allow for your back to be as flat as it can. 3, inhale. Okay, and then you do the other side. Magnetize. And again, hinge yourself at the hip. Stabilize yourself with the 2 front and back lunge of your feet, magnetizing so you have more energy coming up the back spine. And catch and breathe. 2, 3, inhale. And again, down, breathe. Inhale. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe. Inhale. Coming back. 3rd time. And again, dip. So you're using your core, okay, to bring you back up. When you want to come on back, you squeeze the perineum, squeeze your tummy ab muscles, and push off with the ball of the feet to come on back. Last time. Relax. Relax. Relax, breathe. 2, 3, inhale. And that's it for number 10. And relax, relax, right? Shenwei, Qi Wei, Shenwei, Qi Wei. I'm inside the Qi, Qi's inside of me. I'm inside the Qi, Qi's inside of me. And go on back to the prayer. 2, 3, 4, relax. 5, relax the third eye. Nose tip, relax the third eye. Chin, third eye mid fingertip, third eye chest. And relax the kidneys. Good. And your last double chi shower. Shenwei, Qi Hui, Shenwei, Qi Hui. I'm inside the chi is inside of me. I'm inside the chi is inside of me. I'm inside the chi is inside of me. Good. Thank you so much. And if you like that, please like, comment, hashtag BMWQG, and save and subscribe to our notifications so you know when I next post. And thank you so much for joining me today. Love to all the world. Bye.